Oh. Tayo, kami labubu. May ultraviolet. Kakanta tayo, princess. Ayan.
Stunning view.
Yun tabang. Aray! Kakanta tayo, princess. Whenever I see someone, let's fall. No, a round of applause lang. What did you do inside? May nanginginig na.
Itong train.
Labi. Hook si Pa. Apple. Kunin mo yung dalawa nating cocoa. Interview ko kayo. Nakatalikod naman. Princess, anong nag-ano sa'yo? Anong deciding factor mo na mag-turo sa Thailand?
Asan si Pierre?
Ako po.
Hindi, siya. Ikaw.
Seryoso po?
Oo.
Okay.
Sound bites lang to, nakatalikod naman tayo. Nakakapa ng aso.
Iba po kasi yung culture sa Pinas kasi pag dito kahit starting yung sweldo nakakabuhay. Sa Pinas pag mag-start ka po ng 8K.
So, anong message mo sa DepEd Secretary? Tsaka sa kay BBM? Sa pagkat niya sa DepEd budget. Love, hindi siya focus. Ayusin mo, love. Gaya-gaya.
Napakaganda naman ng kuha ng vlog.
Huh?
Siyempre.
Kaya nga.
Ang lilinaw ng mata nyo. Ganyan ba pag cellphone ng cellphone? Kaka-cellphone nyo yan.
Pwede naman magre-reply.
Nakikita niya lang yung notification. Asan tayo?
So we're here sa harapan ng Doi Luang, guys.
Kaya,
It's a stunning view.
I know, right? It's stunning. Sabi niya, ito ko saan? Look at the camera. Uy, look at the camera. Oh, come on, just ask me.
Okay, so guys, this is our
Picture na, picture.
advance celebration for Christmas because we're not going to be together.
Alam na nila ngayon lahat.
Ano daw sinabi niya?
Ewan ko din
Advance celebration for Welcome to their channel, and today this is their channel. I'm taking over this vlog.
Let me show you my honey bunch. Yeah! Can you kiss her on the
Tonight is a month.
Sarap! Of course.
Breakfast at, I think.
Welcome back, guys. So right behind us, this is the main reason why we chose to stay for a weekend trip with our friends. Dito sa Chiang Dao. Chiang Dao is an hour drive away from the city ng Chiang Mai. You've got, nature around you. It's very peaceful. And it's now the perfect time also to visit Chiang Mai kasi it's December. So winter just started, so medyo breezy and cool na. So that view is Doi Luang. So the term Doi in Thai means mountain. So That's literally Mountain Luang. Isn't it beautiful? I think its beauty comes from, it's not the typical mountain where it's shaped like a triangle. The lines are jagged, and I think it gives it a really beautiful silhouette. And then, estang pongpo siya. Walang hugas ng...
Ang lamig kaya.
Ay, ito naman.
Saan si Mike?
Dito.
I was eating with a group of Filipinos. I thought they would definitely.
Who wants a glass of water with ice? Is the meat enough for ice? What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
You always ask for more.
Set niya is 1,000.
1,000 ba?
Yeah. Well, parang 900 and something.
Yung alin?
Yung isang set. Kasi nga, yung isang set is for 4. That's why. Ang ahang. Sausawan. Isa lang yung sausawan, no?
Oh, look na yun sa'yo.
Please pass the glass. Thank you. Iyan ka bang?
Pwede kayang bumili ng noodles? Mama will.
Most eyes.
Okay.
Galing, oh. Pag yan, di mo pa na... Isa pa, isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa, isa pa.
Ganda!
Bear siya na naka-bear costume.
Baboy po siya.
Baboy?
Ayun talaga?
Paano ginawa ni Cloud? Oh.
Ayun. Alam ko na.
Go! Go!
Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa! Isa pa!
Yan.
Malayo. Go!
Kaya! Kaya!
Daya.
Dito na po yung mga nasa.
Yeah! Go! Yung black. Go! Go, please! Go, please! Please, 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 please!
Dami. Uy, bitaw.
Uy, ang daya naman! Isa pa!
Okay, dalawa. Ayaw ko itong black. Akin ito.
Akin na lang.
Proud na proud ko sila. Ito yung pride ng Pilipinas.
Ano siya, parang strawberry.
Okay.
Okay.
Tea lang.
Natin
With egg.
Ay, soft-boiled siya. Oh, you're so sweet.
So yesterday, nag-post kami sa aming Instagram. So there are a few questions na pwede nating sagutan.
Mm.
Yung first question is, kung sa'yo man kinikita nyo sa Philippines, mag-stay ba kayo?
If we were unaware na kung gaano mas convenient ang buhay sa Thailand, if we're unaware, if di natin alam yun na, we would have stayed. Pero now, having experienced yung life outside the Philippines, and then realizing how much the Philippines is behind not just Thailand na, but with a lot of countries. Tapos same salary, definitely sa ibang bansa. Although, it's a very sad realization kasi diba, priceless pa rin yung kasama mo or malapit ka sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. But to be frank, I would not stay now, knowing all that.
Ang tagline pa naman ng Philippine tourism is, piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
I think that's not the wiser decision for now. The Philippines is but a potential that's never realized. There is one factor na dragging the Philippines behind. Ito yung isang factor na I think contributes to us not realizing our potential. You know what? Philippine politics. I think more than the president, yung voting for the president, I think we should also be as vigilant, if not more vigilant, sa pag-vote ng mga senators tsaka ng mga kongresista. Kasi they're the legislative arm of the country. Silang mga gumagawa ng batas. Kasi I realize with this presidency, itong president na to ay walang power. Mas malakas pa sa kanya ang mga kongresista, House Speaker. He's so powerless, especially sa budget. It's clear as day kung anong nangyayari. So I just wish the Filipino voters will be not easily swayed by money, by lagay. They need to do research. The power is in the voters, which is during election. They need to know what's important to them. They need to identify with policies, not identity. Sino sikat, sino magaling ang acting, sino magaling sa sports, kasi nabigay ng pera sa kanila. This is my wish for this country. Ayan. Napakaseryoso ng topic sa morning.
Don't you ever face problems when you set up a tripod in a coffee shop? Setting a tripod depende sa situation. But pag madaming tao, I try to avoid using the tripod.
Lalo na kung may view. Kasi people choose a certain spot in a cafe or a restaurant for a view or even privacy.
What we do is we put the tripod somewhere discreet. Yeah. Best locality to rent in Chiang Mai. Definitely the city, dahil
It's close to everything. Kahit yung mga nature spots, isang oras lang or less, malapit lang sa Chiang Mai.
Next question. Usual things you fight about and how do you usually resolve it?
Very minor things naman. But we would always have a big fight, mga once every year. But we're not here to disclose that, you know. Kasi I wanna preserve the sanctity of this relationship.
Usual
How
things you fight kasi yung tanong, hindi major fight. Usually yung pinag-aawayan namin is magulo yung bahay.
Hindi, usually lately ang pinagawayan natin yung pagbablog.
Hindi man.
Yun man, yung sa may unless natin yung sa agency, yung pag-contact. This morning though, I don't know last night, ang sarap ng coffee.
This one smells like sweat.
Diba? Masarap siya.
Hindi pa ako
Silang sheets.
nagkabayad na lang yung yun.
Tawa yung
Tapos, pagka naayos mo na siya, pupunta kami dyan, kukunin namin yung mga tsinelas. Ready?
Hindi na tamaan.
Tayain mo. Hindi mo siya pwedeng tayain kapag di mo pa nabuo yan. Ang bagay naman. Aray! Sakit! Aray! Sakit! Ang sakit!
Uy, nasaktan siya! Nasaktan siya! Nasaktan siya, ang lala.
Ang sakit ng braso ko.
Okay ka na. Dati hindi ka na nag-ano, nagmadalas. Madalas ka dyan.
Okay, kayo na lang. Natukod ko yung ko right arm.
Aro? Baka maanong hindi ka na naman gumagama.
Kailan ka pupunta kasi yung Panayawan? Oh, Latin. Imagine even that, right? You were still able to work the relationship out.
But family values, life values, like it's almost the same.
Because the universal language is love.
Yung mo, yung patience mo talaga, isusubok talaga nila. Sa din, sa lahat ng bagay.
Yung parang pag-wait mo ng mga opportunities, sa pag-wait mo ng kung paano ka mag-grow. Diba? Parang, hindi lang naman sa work, sa ano din.
Sa boys.
Kung sa boys, yeah, pwede din
So,
sa,
ja-
sa
so-
dating, pwede din naman. Yung
So
patience
generally
mo.
lahat talaga na-testing patience mo.
You think
Yung
you're coming out
minds-
of your shell?
Yeah.
Slowly? Or
Slowly.
andun
Parang
ka na?
slowly. Lagi naman akong slow. Ewan ko
But
lahat
you're
ng
still
bagay ko
young.
slow. Ha? Slow ka
But it's a good lie.
Yeah.
Tama yun.
Tapos nadala ka ng luggage.
They call them Korean sandwich. You're right between them. Found it. Ganito na yung shape niya. Video. Stop. Stop. Wait ba? Wait.
Tao.
Yeah. Kaya ba? It's hot. Ay, itong tripod.สวัสดีครับทุกคนนะครับเราอยู่ที่ฮิโนกิแลนด์ครับฮิโนกิแลนด์อยู่ที่เชียงหวัดเชียงใหม่ครับประมาณมันเป็นสไตล์ญี่ปุ่นนะครับมันมีชินโตเกตแล้วก็มีอาหารญี่ปุ่นมันเป็นบรรยากาศที่ญี่ปุ่นนั่นแหละwala na nag-mature na yung mga members. Sana yung mga mag-grow up. Dapat i-spin the color. That's the color.
That's the color. Cappuccino brown.
Pahirapan. That's your color. Lemon yellow. Touch Spider-Man. Touch the balls of Max. Charot. May ultraviolet. Iba-iba. Where are you now? You're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's not true. Whenever I see someone less fortunate than I.
Ay, video pala to.
Ay, gusto ko ikaw si Cloud, ako si Max. Tapos nadapa.
Ay, nangyari.
Oh. Aray, sakit. Dito ka.